Some history is famous, some history is forgotten, and some history changed the world without ever becoming a household name. This is History Left Out, where we uncover the Black history that didn't make the textbook. Before engineers could design entire planes on computers, before 3D digital models became standard, before Boeing 777 became famous for being designed digitally, there was a Black engineer helping push aviation into the computer age. His name was Walt W. Braithwaite, and chances are you've never heard of him. Walter Braithwaite was born in Kingston, Jamaica in 1945. He came to the United States to study engineering and earned a bachelor's degree from the American Institute of Technology. Later, he earned master's degrees in computer science and business. Then, in 1966, he joined Boeing. And this is where his story gets remarkable. At the time, engineers still depended heavily on traditional drawings, physical models, and manual processes to design aircraft. But Braithwaite saw where technology was headed. Computers weren't just machines for calculations, they could transform the entire engineering process. Braithwaite became a major figure in Boeing's adoption of computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing, what engineers call CAD and CAM. Instead of designing every component using only traditional drafting methods, engineers could increasingly create, analyze, modify, and coordinate aircraft designs digitally. Think about what that means. An airplane contains millions of parts. Those parts have to fit together with extraordinary precision. A tiny design error can become an enormous engineering problem. Digital design allowed engineers to identify problems before an aircraft ever reached the assembly line. And Braithwaite helped Boeing move into that future. He eventually became one of the company's highest ranking Black executives and played an important leadership role in the development and implementation of advanced digital aircraft design systems. Those technologies helped pave the way for aircraft like the Boeing 777, famously developed using extensive computer aided three-dimensional design. But here's the part I want you to remember. When we talk about technological revolutions, we often remember the machines. We remember the companies. We remember the finished products. We don't always remember the people who helped make the transformation possible. Walter Braithwaite spent decades helping change the way aircraft were designed and manufactured. A Black engineer helping move one of the world's largest aerospace companies from the drafting table into the digital age. And somehow, that name rarely makes the textbook. That's history left out. History didn't forget these people. We were simply never taught to remember them. And that's why we're bringing their stories back, because Black history isn't a footnote to history. It helped build the world we're living in. I'm Dr. Cyntrenna Palmer, and this is History Left Out.